Providing incontinence care is essential to the health, comfort, dignity, and overall quality of life for individuals experiencing incontinence. In this video, we'll explain how to use Prevail male guards. Male guards are designed specifically for men and are intended to be worn within an individual's regular underwear. Open and unfold the product. Remove the peel strip located on the back of the male guard. With the sticky side down, align the wider and longer end of the pad towards the front of the underwear and the curved end towards the back. Ensure that the center of the male guard is aligned with the center of the underwear. Once centered, press the guard so it sticks to the underwear from front to back. Gently pull the underwear up and adjust as necessary to ensure a snug fit. Male guards should always be disposed of properly and should never be flushed down the toilet. Choosing the right product is important for bladder leakage care. Contact our Prevail eNurse team for assistance in proper product selection and sizing.